Hello friends, this video on Vector Algebra Part 8 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. Before watching this video, please make sure that you have watched Part 1 to Part 7. The next important concept is the unit direction of a vector. So what is the unit direction of a vector? So I have some vector. I want to find the unit vector in a direction. Unit vector in that direction is nothing but you take the whole vector, you divide that vector with a whole magnitude. That is nothing but a vector with a length 1. Vector with length 1. Length 1. As I told, you have this vector, let's suppose with a magnitude of 8 units. I told you can do a scalar multiplication. If you multiply this by 1 by 8, right, this becomes 1 unit. The direction will be same. This vector, if you see, is the length of 1, and this guy is nothing but a unit vector. So to find unit vector, you have to do, you have some vector A, you divide that guy with the magnitude of the vector, you get 1 unit vector in that direction, and that is represented by A cap. Please note, when you say cap, that is nothing but a unit vector. Example, in this case, let's suppose A is equal to 8, so this becomes my 8 unit vector, 8 by 8. This direction is A cap, so this is gone. So A cap is nothing but a unit vector in some direction. Correct? And unit vector always has a cap. Please note, the cap is always there for a unit vector. Correct? Thank you. Visit examfear.com to watch free educational videos, try free online tests, get the best quality study materials, study from the best tutors and mentors, and much more. Thanks once again.